Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of AI-powered faceless videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that not only showcases the innovative use of artificial intelligence but also presents a lucrative financial opportunity. Join us as we uncover the secrets of going from $0 to $1,000 in just 30 days through the power of faceless videos. Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize the way we create content? AI-powered faceless videos are a prime example of this technological advancement. By utilizing AI algorithms, creators can now produce high-quality videos without showing their faces, opening up a world of possibilities for content creation. This innovative approach not only saves time and resources but also allows for greater creativity and flexibility in storytelling. But what sets AI-powered faceless videos apart is their impact on financial growth. Imagine being able to generate a substantial income through your YouTube channel in just 30 days. That's the goal we're setting for ourselves, and we're inviting you to join us on this exciting journey. Through our channel's success formula, we'll be sharing the strategies and techniques that will help us reach the $1,000 milestone within a month. Our challenge is clear and time-bound. Can we achieve financial success by leveraging AI-powered faceless videos in just 30 days? This question is not only for us but for you, our viewers, as well. By following along with our progress and implementing the same strategies, you too can unlock the potential of AI in content creation and financial growth. So, if you're ready to explore the possibilities of AI-powered faceless videos and embark on a journey towards financial success, then stay tuned. Together, we'll uncover the secrets, overcome the challenges, and ultimately reach our goal of $1,000 in just 30 days. Get ready to witness the power of AI in action and discover how it can transform not only your content creation process but also your financial future. Be sure and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Understanding AI-powered faceless videos. In today's digital age, AI technology has revolutionized the way we create content, and AI-powered faceless videos are a prime example of this innovation. But what exactly is AI technology, and how is it applied in video creation without showing faces? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. When it comes to creating faceless videos, AI algorithms can analyze and synthesize audio and visual data to generate lifelike avatars or animations that serve as the focal point of the video, eliminating the need for human faces to be shown on screen. The advantages of using AI for content production are manifold. Firstly, AI-powered faceless videos offer creators a level of anonymity and privacy, allowing them to focus on the content itself without the pressure of being in front of the camera. This opens up opportunities for a wider range of creators to enter the video production space and share their unique perspectives and stories. Additionally, AI technology enables creators to produce videos at a faster pace and with higher quality, thanks to automated editing tools and real-time feedback mechanisms. When it comes to audience engagement, AI-powered faceless videos have proven to be highly effective. By leveraging AI algorithms to personalize content recommendations and optimize video performance, creators can attract and retain a larger audience base. The ability to tailor content to individual viewer preferences and behaviors enhances the overall viewing experience and encourages increased engagement and interaction with the content. Numerous successful faceless videos have achieved significant financial milestones, showcasing the potential for rapid financial growth through AI-powered content creation. From educational channels to entertainment platforms, creators have leveraged AI technology to reach new heights of success and profitability. By analyzing audience data, optimizing content strategies, and harnessing the power of AI, these creators have been able to monetize their videos effectively and generate substantial income streams. In conclusion, AI-powered faceless videos represent a groundbreaking approach to content creation that not only leverages the power of AI technology but also drives rapid financial growth. By understanding the fundamentals of AI technology, exploring its advantages for content production and audience engagement, and learning from successful examples, creators can unlock the full potential of AI-powered faceless videos and pave the way for financial success in the digital landscape. Are you enjoying this educational content? Be sure to subscribe for more. Implementing the proven success formula. When it comes to achieving financial growth through AI-powered faceless videos, having a solid success formula in place is key. Let's break down the channel's proven success formula that has helped creators go from $0 to $1,000 in just 30 days through the power of AI-powered faceless videos. The first step in implementing the success formula is to focus on optimizing video content. This involves creating engaging and high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. By leveraging AI technology to analyze viewer preferences and trends, creators can tailor their content to meet the needs and interests of their audience, ultimately driving higher engagement and viewership. Next, distribution strategies play a crucial role in reaching a wider audience and maximizing the impact of your videos. Utilizing AI algorithms to identify the most effective distribution channels and timing for video releases can significantly boost visibility and engagement. By strategically promoting videos across various platforms and leveraging social media and SEO techniques, creators can expand their reach and attract new viewers to their channel. Audience targeting is another key component of the success formula. By understanding the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your target audience, creators can create content that resonates with viewers and drives higher engagement and retention. AI technology can help identify and segment target audiences, allowing creators to tailor their content and marketing strategies to effectively reach and connect with their desired viewers. Real-life case studies and testimonials serve as powerful examples of the effectiveness of the success formula in action. By showcasing how creators have successfully implemented the formula to achieve financial milestones through AI-powered faceless videos, viewers can gain valuable insights and inspiration for their own content creation journey. These case studies highlight the tangible results and benefits of following the success formula, demonstrating the potential for rapid financial growth and success in the digital content creation space. In conclusion, by following the channel's proven success formula for financial growth through AI-powered faceless videos, creators can unlock the full potential of AI technology and drive significant results in a short period of time. By focusing on optimizing video content, implementing effective distribution strategies, targeting the right audience, and learning from real-life success stories, creators can pave the way for financial success and growth in the competitive digital landscape. Engaging the audience with a time-bound challenge. Are you ready to take on a thrilling challenge and unlock the potential of AI-powered faceless videos to achieve financial success? Join us as we present you with a clear and compelling challenge. Can you reach $1,000 in just 30 days through the power of AI for creating faceless videos? Let's dive into the details of this exciting challenge and see how you can be a part of this transformative journey. To participate in the challenge, viewers are required to follow specific guidelines and rules that will help them leverage AI technology effectively in creating profitable faceless videos. These guidelines may include creating a content calendar, optimizing video titles and descriptions for SEO, engaging with the audience through comments and social media, and analyzing performance metrics to track progress and make data-driven decisions. By adhering to these guidelines, viewers can maximize their chances of reaching the $1,000 milestone within the 30-day timeframe. Throughout the challenge period, we encourage audience participation and interaction to foster a sense of community and support among participants. Viewers can share their progress, ask questions, and provide feedback to each other, creating a collaborative and engaging environment. By engaging with fellow participants and sharing insights and experiences, viewers can learn from each other and enhance their own content creation strategies. As an added incentive, we will be offering rewards and incentives for viewers who successfully complete the challenge and reach the $1,000 goal within the 30-day timeframe. These rewards may include shoutouts on our channel, personalized feedback on their videos, exclusive access to bonus content or resources, or even monetary prizes to celebrate their achievement. By offering incentives, we aim to motivate and reward viewers for their hard work and dedication throughout the challenge. In conclusion, by presenting viewers with a time-bound challenge to achieve $1,000 in 30 days using AI for faceless videos, we aim to inspire and empower creators to unlock their full potential and drive financial growth through innovative content creation. By outlining clear guidelines, encouraging audience participation, and offering incentives for success, we create a dynamic and engaging experience that motivates viewers to push their boundaries and achieve their goals. Are you up for the challenge? Join us on this exciting journey and see how AI-powered faceless videos can transform your content creation and financial success. As we come to the end of our exploration into the world of AI-powered faceless videos and the exciting journey towards financial growth, let's recap the key points discussed and motivate you to take action towards unlocking your full potential through AI technology. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of leveraging AI technology for creating profitable faceless videos. By harnessing the power of AI algorithms, creators can produce high-quality content without showing their faces, opening up new opportunities for creativity, efficiency, and financial success. The ability to analyze data, personalize content, and optimized distribution strategies through AI technology can significantly impact the reach and engagement of your videos, ultimately driving rapid financial growth. We invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video to support our channel's growth and stay updated on the latest insights and strategies for achieving financial success through AI-powered faceless videos. By joining our community of like-minded creators and enthusiasts, you'll gain access to valuable resources, tips, and case studies that will inspire and empower you on your own content creation journey. Furthermore, we encourage you to explore additional resources and content related to financial success on our channel or website. Whether you're looking for in-depth tutorials, expert interviews, or success stories from creators who have achieved significant milestones through AI-powered faceless videos, our platform offers a wealth of information to help you navigate the digital landscape and reach your financial goals. In conclusion, the potential for financial growth through AI-powered faceless videos is within your reach. By embracing AI technology, implementing proven strategies, and taking on challenges with determination and creativity, you can unlock new opportunities and drive success in the competitive world of content creation. Click on the links below for training and tools to get you started with using AI. We invite you to take action, seize the moment, and embark on a transformative journey towards financial growth through AI-powered faceless videos. Together, let's redefine the possibilities and shape the future of content creation.